Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining bright. Just look at that aura. Look at that shine radiating right on you. All right. So Rita and I, we have decided this morning we're gonna take opportunity of this lovely park. We're gonna start our day, all right, by doing our yoga practice in this lovely park. So not only do we get an opportunity to connect ourselves with our own self, our inner self, we also get an opportunity, all right, as a couple, as a lovey-dovey couple, all right, to together experience that energy together by being in this nature, all right, and also making that connection with nature, all right. So it's a beautiful morning. We're gonna experience these energies. We're gonna consciously give us the start that really, really matters. Rub your hands. Gently massage your face. We do, as partners, we do so many things together, all right? We plan our meals, we go on holidays, but we get this chance every single day, all right, to connect our energies together with nature, all right? No matter where you're staying at this point of time, all right, you have a park, all right, or you have some beautiful place out there in the nature where you can step every single day out there, all right, and connect yourself as a couple, all right, with the nature that nurtures us. Is going to lead us today. She's taken an oath that she's going to do 108 salutations for the next 108 days. She's going to lead me. She's going to inspire me. All right, she's so motivated by my persistence, and now she says, she's going to be the leader. All right, so you're going to lead us? Yes. On the mat, everybody. So what we've done, we have activated our body in the nature, all right, being amidst nature, all right, our body, our breath, our mind, all right, along with the mantra. So our cells deep within, every single cell in the body has felt those vibrations. So I'm going to do my 108, Rita is going to do her practice, and both of us are going to just blend in this moment, all right? Let's get started. Beautiful energy. 108 done. Breath is slightly out of control. We've taken like 22 minutes to finish our sun salutations today. To all the couples out there, with all the love we feel, with our partner, we've got to sustain that love, man, because this love is a blessing. All right? It's so important to take care of this body because we don't want this body to become a barrier. All right? What happened to your love if your partner is in pain, struggling from some kind of disease, ailment in the body? All right, if you really, 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 really love your partner, both of you get to the park every day in the morning, spend time with nature. All right, do not just force those hard workouts in the gym because as such the world out there is so stressed. When you do those heavy weights, you're putting more stress on your body. All right, you've got to get into the habit of lying on this yoga mat. You've got to get into the habit of being on this yoga mat, relaxing your energies together, the art of relaxation. We living in the city, we must develop this habit of stepping out, every single day. We get that hour, right, to do our yoga practice, enjoy a beverage, a healthy snack every single day in the morning, and give yourself that yogic start that we need. All right, have a good one.